Welcome to another Simple Dad Instagram tutorial. In this video, I'll show you how to get the new Instagram feature called Threads on your Instagram app. If you're new on the channel and you want to find out more about your iPhone, your Android phone, or any of the social media apps, then go ahead and hit that subscribe button to become a part of the Simple Dad community. Hit the like button if you find this video useful. So the new Threads app is like your personal messenger, which is tied to your Instagram account. So let me show you how to get this Threads on your Instagram app. So before you begin, you want to first go to your Play Store or your App Store and search for Instagram. Make sure Instagram app has been updated to the latest version. Now once that's updated, go ahead and open the app. Now to get the new Threads feature on your Instagram app, you want to first tap on search at the bottom. And here you're searching for Threads app. Now, if you have this feature, just next to Threads app, you should see a ticket. So as you can see, for myself, I don't see that feature. However, for those of you who can see this feature, you will see a ticket, and by clicking on it, you'll get this ticket over here, which looks something similar to this. Another way of finding out if you have the Threads feature on your Instagram app is by going to your profile page here at the bottom right, then tapping on the three lines at the top right. And once you're on this page here, you will see another line where it says Threads. So if you do see it, that means you have that feature in your Instagram app. So you want to go ahead and tap on the Threads feature, and you'll be able to access the new Instagram feature called Threads. Now, for those of you who cannot see it, just like me, it is still not available in your region, and you'll need to wait until Instagram rolls it out to everyone. So there you go. That is how to get the new Instagram feature called Threads on your Instagram app. If this video is helpful, then please subscribe to see more videos like this. If you have any other questions, then please do let me know in the comment section down below. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.